There are many times that you must work with drawings that were not originally created in Civil 3D. The natural thing to do would be to just open those drawings in Civil 3D and start using them. However, this is not the best practice because any drawing that was not created with Civil 3D, whether it is legacy data from Land Desktop or just an AutoCAD drawing or drawing from another source like Microstation, will not have any Civil 3D styles contained within them. And since Civil 3D relies on setting up all of your styles and command settings properly, it would be a long and tedious process for each and every time you have to do this. Therefore, the best practice is to start a new drawing based on a template that contains all of your styles and settings, and then insert that old drawing as a block into the new drawing at 00 and explode that inserted drawing block. This will give you all of the geometry from the original drawing in a drawing environment that contains all of your styles and settings that can then be used on the original geometry. However, be aware that even when you do this, there might be a time when the drawing you were working with does not have all the styles that you need. Maybe someone deleted a style or modified a style, or maybe new styles have been created for your standard since your drawing was created, or what you need is just not there. In this case, you can copy your share styles from one drawing to another, and there are several ways to do this. In this example in Civil 3D, the open drawing is called Drag Styles. Look on the Settings tab. You can see that the only style in this drawing is called Standard. This means that you have only standard styles available, such as Standard Point Style, Standard Point Label Style, Standard Surface Style, and so on. On the ribbon, View tab, User Interface panel, click Switch Windows and select the next open drawing. You can see that in this other drawing, Style Template drawing, has many styles in it. For instance, here are all the surface styles. You can copy these styles from one drawing to another just by simply dragging and dropping them one at a time, or by dragging the complete folder containing them into the model space of the drawing that has no styles in it. To make this process easier, go back to the View tab, Interface panel, and select Tile vertically to see the two drawings side by side. Make sure that the drawing which contains the styles is not set current, meaning that in the Settings tab of the Toolspace, the file containing all the styles should not be bold. If that file is current, then in the Toolspace, click the Prospector tab and at the top expand the menu and choose Master View. Next, scroll until you find the drawing that does not contain many styles, Drag Styles. Right-click and select Switch To, so that it is current and at the top of the list. Now click the Settings tab of the Toolspace and then scroll to the top until you see the active drawing, Drag Styles. This is the drawing you'll be dragging and dropping styles into. Scroll down the list and find the Style Template drawing with all the styles, and then expand the Surface Collection and the Surface Styles collection in the Style Template drawing. You can select any one of these styles you want to copy and then simply drag it and drop it into the drawing with no styles. As you drag it, you need to go slow and watch for the copy style icon to appear, which looks like a dashed box with a plus symbol by it. If that icon does not appear in the Drag Styles model space, then the style you're trying to copy over will not copy over. Once you successfully copy a style into the Drag Styles drawing, check it. Look at Surface Styles, and you can see that the new style has been copied over. You can even do this in a batch by dragging and dropping the folder that contains the styles, but know that you cannot drag over a folder that also has a folder under it. So folders that contain only styles allow you to drag and drop them into another drawing. Try this. Bring over the point styles. On the Settings tab of the Toolspace, scroll down to the Style Template drawing. Expand the points collection and then drag and drop the complete point styles folder into the model space of the Drag Styles drawing. Remember to look for the box with the plus symbol, which indicates the styles are being added to the model space of the drawing you're copying them to. If the duplicate item name dialog box appears, click Overwrite, and then enable the option Apply to all duplicate items, and then click OK. This overwrites any styles in the Drag Styles drawing, like the Style Standard, to reflect the styles that you're copying into. You have now successfully copied some styles into the drawing without styles, and you can see them in the Settings tab of the Toolspace for that drawing. In addition to the drag and drop method, when you have a very large number of styles from different features that you want to copy, you can import them. On the ribbon, Manage tab, Styles panel, select Import. You're prompted to save the changes to the drawing thus far before you can do the import, so click OK and then save. Again, on the ribbon, Manage tab, Styles panel, click the Import button again, and you can select any drawing file or template to import the styles from. You can choose one of your templates, or you can choose an existing drawing in your project. Open it, and then Import Civil 3D Styles dialog opens. This shows you a list of all the styles that it found in the selected drawing that do not exist within your current drawing. You can manually select which ones you want to add and remove, and you can also import command settings. For now, simply click OK. You're prompted to overwrite the duplicate style, so click Apply to all duplicates and then click OK. Now Civil 3D imports all of the styles, and when it is done, you can check and see that in the Settings tab of the Toolspace, in the Drawing Without Styles, Drag Styles, you now have point cloud styles, parcel styles, and so on. There are a number of ways to quickly and easily import and copy styles from one drawing to another. Civil 3D makes it manageable to maintain one template with all accompanying styles and bring those styles into new drawings easily.